I think complacency and comfortability is the death of creativity and the dreams that you want to chase. So sometimes you got to shake it up, buy that plane ticket, and just say, yo, I'm leaving for a little bit. I don't know when I'm gonna come back. Just experience something else, something new. Airports to me represent freedom and living the life that you want. As a creative myself, it helps me with my design process, keeping new ideas, and mentally just being able to get out of my certain comfort zone or complacency that I'm stuck in and kind of just see what else is out there. Airport, drop one, available to shop at NewTrnd.com. Go check it out.